Hey, hi guys. I'm Mark Perrin-Jones and welcome to my Spanish course. Now look, if you ever want to learn Spanish, well let me put it this way. If you want to learn Spanish and want to do it perfectly with long, dry, conjugated lists, verb lists, nouns, and have to spend hours and hours and hours practicing, this is not the course for you. I just want to kind of get that straight because I don't want you to feel disappointed. You know, if you want a course where, like the courses that you've probably already studied, that will put you to sleep within 10 minutes. If you want an insomnia cure, this course is not for you. That's kind of what I'm trying to tell you here. If you just want to learn how to speak Spanish very quickly and easily, if I may say so, effortlessly, okay? If you want that, then you've come to the right place, okay? If you don't, when I say bienvenidos, and you don't know what that means, you've come to the right place. If you do know what it means, you've still come to the right place. Okay? I've lived in Panama for 15 years. Now, what I want to do is give you a very simplistic approach. You are going to learn thousands of Spanish words within the first hour. All right? That is guaranteed. Without effort, without memorizing, without having to get your pen out and try and drudge. No. All right, because I'm not about that. In fact, what I'm more about is grab your cup of tea or coffee or your glass of wine or whatever, sit back, listen to what I've got to say, have a look at the screen, and away we go. All right, because it's got to be fun and interesting or you'll switch off. At best, that is, at best. You probably go to sleep or switch off, which is what most language courses have people do. All right, they should be great insomnia cures. All right, so this is what I'm doing. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, the Spanish I'm teaching you is to get you through. It's for if you go on that holiday or you want to learn some Spanish to get to speak to your whoever it is that speaks Spanish. You just want to learn some Spanish but learn it quickly. It'll be interesting and you'll remember it without massive effort. Okay, because that's the way you want to learn, isn't it? Make it so it's applicable. So when you have to say something, ask for something, you know how to do it. Boom, 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 boom. Without having to go, oh God, now what was that? Conjugate and the infinitive and the blah, 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 and you're lost. All right, and then what happens is you don't speak language because you find it too difficult or too confusing or what have you. All right, so here's what it's about. I'm going to show you a really simple way to learn this massive vocab of words, and I'm going to show you these little verbs that you can use to get you through beautifully in any situation. All right, and then you're going to build on that if you want to. I'm also going to show you the easiest way to speak Spanish to get your point across. So let's say if you need something, the absolute easiest way to do it, all right? So that you don't have to be worried about it. And then so if you need to communicate with someone, you know how to do it. I'm going to give you these skills. Trust me, it's going to be a fun little journey we're going to have. It's going to be dead easy for you. All right, and finally, you'll find how easy it is to learn Spanish. All right, so anyway, I'm busy. I want to get to teach you. Come on, let's get going then.